What's the meaning of alack? Alack. 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 Alack.
Alack is an archaic expression that is used to express sorrow, regret, or disappointment. It is similar in meaning to the more modern terms alas or oh no. The word is often used in context with negative outcomes and unfortunate events. For example, one might say, alack, our plans have been ruined by the rain, or alack, I am too late to catch my flight. Essentially, alack is a word that conveys a sense of sadness or despair at the realization of something unpleasant or unfavorable.